cloud engineer. Wesley Chai, Nicholas Randall, senior production editor. What is a cloud engineer? A cloud engineer is an IT professional responsible for any technological duties associated with cloud computing, including design, planning, management, maintenance, and support. Cloud engineer is a general term encompassing a few different roles, including cloud architect, cloud software engineer, cloud security engineer, cloud systems engineer, cloud network engineer. Each position focuses on a specific type of cloud computing rather than the technology as a whole. Companies that hire cloud engineers are often looking to deploy cloud services, scale up their use of cloud resources, or further their cloud understanding and technology. Must have skills for a cloud engineer. Cloud engineers in all roles must have proficiency in the following areas: Linux, database skills, programming, networking, DevOps, containerization, virtualization, understanding of cloud providers, security and recovery, web services and application programming interfaces, APIs. Linux. Cloud engineers should have a strong understanding of the Linux operating system, which companies frequently use for cloud development. Cloud engineers should understand the architecture, maintenance, and administration of Linux servers. Database skills. Cloud engineers should have cloud database management skills and knowledge of MySQL and Hadoop. Programming. Cloud engineers should have strong general programming skills, along with knowledge of programming languages such as SQL, Java, Python, Ruby, Golang, PHP, and .NET. Networking. Cloud engineers should understand virtual networks and general network management functions. DevOps. DevOps is a popular framework for cloud engineering, so having a hands-on understanding of DevOps practices can be valuable to employers. Amazon Web Services, AWS DevOps in particular, is a sought-after skill by cloud providers. Sought-after skill. Sought-after skill. Containerization. Cloud engineers should have proficiency of containerization tools and understand Docker and Kubernetes. Virtualization. Cloud engineers should have the knowledge to deploy and run application software on virtual machines. Understanding of cloud providers. As a technical cloud features and engineering practices can vary between different service providers, understanding what each offers can enhance a cloud engineer's knowledge and make them more marketable to employers. Security and recovery. Cloud security is a growing priority among providers, and knowledge of cybersecurity in the context of the cloud is a valuable asset. Web services and application programming interfaces, APIs. Cloud engineers should have knowledge of open standards such as XML, Extensible Markup Language, SOAP, SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, WSDL, Web Services Description Language, and UDDI, Universal Description, Discovery and Integration, and an understanding of how APIs are engineered. Cloud engineer skills at a glance. An understanding of how cloud providers work, programming, containerization, networking, DevOps, database management, APIs, virtualization, web services, Linux, security, and recovery. How do you become a cloud engineer? Comparative candidates for cloud engineer positions generally have the following education, certifications, and experience. Education. A cloud engineer should have at least a Bachelor of Science degree in computer science, engineering, or other related field that provides similar skills. Some companies prefer a Master of Science degree. Certifications. Some companies prefer additional certifications along with education and experience to demonstrate technical knowledge in one or more areas. Popular certifications include vendor-specific certifications or major providers such as AWS and Microsoft, and certifications for skill sets such as cloud security. There are many relevant certifications available due to the demand for cloud engineer skills. For more in-depth information, read How to Evaluate Cloud Certifications. Experience. Most employers seek cloud engineers with at least 3 to 5 years of experience with cloud services, including open source technology, software development, system engineering, scripting languages, and multiple cloud provider environments. Additionally, cloud engineers must have a background in building or designing web services in the cloud. Cloud engineers need experience working with programming languages, including Java, Python, Ruby. Many companies seek cloud engineers who have experience with OpenStack, Linux, AWS, Rackspace, Google Compute Engine, Microsoft Azure, and Docker. Experience with APIs, orchestration, automation, DevOps, and database, including NoSQL, are also important. Types of cloud engineering roles and responsibilities. The role of cloud engineer encompasses what? The title, sorry, is too small. Title. The title of cloud engineer encompasses a few different cloud-focused engineering roles. As a cloud engineering duties require many areas of expertise, each role is specialized. Cloud architects manage the infrastructure of the cloud. These positions oversee the architecture, configuration, and deployment of applications in the cloud. Cloud software developers build and maintain software features and functions, databases, and applications for cloud technologies. Cloud security engineers build and maintain features to provide security for cloud-based platforms and applications. Cloud administrators manage software, hardware associated with the use of cloud-based services. Cloud network engineers manage and support network infrastructure and connection between clients and service providers. Cloud automation engineers. 네, 안녕하세요.
또 공부하십니까?
네.
진짜 대단하다.
늦게까지. Network architects manage the infrastructure of the cloud. These positions oversee the architecture, configuration, and deployment of applications in the cloud. Cloud software developers build and maintain software features and functions, databases, and applications for cloud technologies. Cloud security engineers build and maintain features to provide security for cloud-based platforms and applications. Cloud administrators. Many software and hardware associated with the use of cloud-based services. Cloud network engineers manage and support network infrastructures and connections between clients and service providers. Cloud automation engineers are similar to cloud developers, but this position places an emphasis on automation, orchestration, and integration. For more in-depth information on the different cloud engineering careers, click here. Cloud engineer salary and career outlook. According to sources such as ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and Salary.com, the average salary for a cloud engineer in the U.S. ranges from $100,000 to $130,000 a year. Although these numbers vary based on factors such as skills, education, certifications, if a position is remote and location, if a position is remote and location is far away. According to Northwestern University's website, northeastern.edu, a graduate certificate can boost a person's earnings by an average of 25%. For more information on cloud technologies and careers, read our definition of cloud computing and our essential guide on starting your cloud career. Continue reading about cloud engineer. Analyze Google's cloud computing. So we learned such expressions as marketable and sought after career and so on. Cloud engineer, cloud architecture, cloud security, and so on. Well, I try to read this article to understand who the cloud engineer is. And also I wanted to practice English. And also I wanted to show how I read English material on a daily basis so that maybe my daughters, my nephews, nieces, friends could understand how to read an English book, English material on their own leisure, at their own leisure and at their own pace. And so that they could continue to practice English step by step. Well, thank you for staying with me. This is my home. This is my living room. Yep, 65-inch TV. Well, just take care and have a good evening. Bye-bye.